This is HR database. It contains information about technical resources from different part of world, and it contains information about their first name, mid name, last name, which is indicated above, as well as it contains information about some of their professional competencies. So let's review tabs one by one. First tab, resources. It has photo, it has date of birth, email, mobile phone, other phones, category, citizenship, nationality, medical received or no. It has attached resume file if it exists, and has notes section at the bottom. So recruitment process tab contains information about source, priority, interview, TC acceptance status, salary, confirmed by client, recommended by proposed assignment, and some other information. Third tab is competency process. From drop-down, qualification for that person can be selected. We have technical qualification, administrative, other. We can create any group of qualifications. And to check the professionality of the person, special questions are created depending on discipline. And those questions can be asked to the person, and based on his answer, it can be identified if he is skilled, professional, or if its competency is not very strong. The next tab of mobilization process. It contains information about visa, arrival date, and things like that. And onboarding process, in case if the candidate is selected and he is hired, in this case, some information is added to these fields. As we can see, the data is quite complicated in terms of the amount of information which it contains. Therefore, the search form created for this database is also quite complicated. You can search by all those mentioned fields, plus you can search by competencies. For example, let's say I want to search for administrative and management, this combination of qualifications. I click on generic report and I see that I have this information. In case if I want to start new search, I click on new search. In case if I want to print any reports, I have reports which are opened by entering some criteria. For example, availability report by search by discipline and availability, or initial contact report by discipline and availability, and client report by availability, position, discipline, and competency test result. I also can open full report. So let's see how it looks like. Full availability report. It is information about the person, his availability. Okay, enlarge. And we see that here for discipline electrical and for discipline mechanical, we see the same person but different disciplines. Or we can create client report, for example, and we see that we have two discipline again, electrical and mechanical. And by this we see the person and some information about him. So it was all about search by this database. And again, this database is useful, may be useful for some people who want to have a database of world level specialists, technical specialists.